Hello everyone. Today we have a quick tip that could save you lots of money. Let's talk about your credit score. Your credit score is important because it can affect how much you pay for loans. Did you know you can check your credit score for free? You can get your credit score for free from your bank or credit card account. This helps you know if you are in good shape financially. Why should you check your credit score often? Sometimes there are mistakes on your credit report that can make your score lower than it should be. This can make your loans more expensive. For example, Emily found a mistake on her report. It said she missed a payment, but she didn't. She fixed this error and her score went up by 50 points. This helped her get a lower rate on her house loan, saving her over 20,000 in interest. What should you do? Get your free credit report. Check for any wrong info. And if you see mistakes, tell the credit bureau. They have to fix it if it's wrong. A good credit score means you pay less over time. It's worth it to check. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to save money and retire rich. Visit our website for more info. Thanks for watching and take steps toward a money smart future. Thank you.